12th of October 2022, and we have Mariankatu 25 stages here in Lahti. Lahti is Finland. So has 6 floors.
Somebody's coming up.
It's built by Hissinhuolto originally in 1954. I love the interior here.
Same here.
This interior was also refurbished in 2004, but it fits in here.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. Handle made of press.
Yeah.
And the capacity is 4 purses or 3 and 20 grams. This serves 2 rice. It also vaping here.
Yeah.
This time it didn't leave for some reason.
Yeah.
Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't.
Inspektiittpaikki vain inspected maintained by Kone.
The cylinder is HH224 and it's going to be inspected this year in 2022. I'm not sure if it has 2 or 3 staircases.
Yeah.
We can check it soon. There should be the staircase B, maybe C also. To try to come back to it later.
Yeah.
But they are worth it, of course, when you get there.
Yeah.
So, thank you very much for watching.
That's